ACHR stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this quick 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at ACHR Aviation, I like it a lot. I like it a lot because all we did is we just grabbed liquidity, mitigated the zone, and now it's finally breaking up. Phenomenal stuff. I'm not saying this in a way where I'm gonna randomly buy now on freaking Wednesday, but it is gonna be a buy if the price pulls and gives me a second shift, right? Only if that's valid here, I'm looking to take it up, because like one break means nothing, nada, zilch. How do I know this? Well, maybe because I've tested this for 45,000 videos over 5 years, and I've actually collected data and I've looked back. You know what I mean? So with this in particular, only if I do see this happening and see breaks above it, then and only then I'm looking to take it, put her up. I mean, again, the range could be even bigger, but not smaller, of course. I must see like a clear on second break. And this is actually very juicy as well. I'm keeping an eye on this. I do have a bunch of receipts in the Discord with ACHR. But other than that, we'll continue to keep updated. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.